Hey everybody, it's Jed from Classic Auto Appraisal again. Gonna do a quick walk around of this 1950 Ford F3 pickup that we have for sale. And yes, it's an F3, which means the 1 ton. You can see it's been fully restored. Unbelievable condition. We got some extra stain and a bunch of paperwork that goes with the car. Paint is A1. I actually have not seen a blemish on this truck yet. It is in outstanding condition. She's a beauty. Brown leather seat. Everything's been fully frame off restoration on this one. Pop the hood for you so you can get a look at that. Comment below if you have any questions. Hit like, subscribe. We'll talk to you soon.